Okay, here we are with tip number 3 for reaching your goals in the upcoming year. This is be specific. Okay, be specific. The brain loves specificity. What I mean by that is if it's too vague, then it becomes something that the brain gets confused on. The brain gets confused on it, it goes elsewhere. It distracts you, right? Same thing as if it's stressed, it's going to distract you. It's going to be like, okay, I don't really know what you mean. Example, I want to lose 100 pounds next year. I don't really want to lose 100 pounds. That's not reasonable. But let's say that I want to lose a large amount of weight. And so I just tell my brain, or I just put down on my vision board, which I don't like the term vision board. I prefer action board. We'll talk about that on a future video. If you say, I want to lose weight, that's really pretty vague, right? Okay, I want to lose weight. Am I just going to say it every morning and that's going to manifest it? Not really. There are a lot of actual specific things that you need to do in order to lose weight, right? For you, it may be different, but in general, you need to increase your physical activity. You need to make sure it's the right physical activity. You need to adjust your eating. Most people need to adjust their eating habits. They may be eating too many of the bad foods, not enough of the good foods. Maybe they're like me and they're just simply eating at the wrong time of the day, right? So there's a lot of little things that you need to do in order to reach that goal. And those are the specifics, right? So if I tell myself and I put down on my action board or in my journal or on my brain dump, right? Because you know me, I do the mind mapping and the brain dumping all the time. I'm going to put down specifics. So what does it mean? If I want to lose 20 pounds in the next 6 months, which I think is very reasonable, what is it going to take for me to do that? I need to let my brain know specifically what weekly, what monthly, what weekly, what daily activities I'm going to be doing that I need to be doing in order to reach those goals. So that might look like, okay, I'm going to focus on making sure I drink all my water. I am going to add in hot lemon tea first thing in the morning, so I'm getting some detoxification going on. I am going to make sure I do my workout. Well, that's something that I already do on a regular basis, so I may not even put that in there because that's already there. It's an existing habit that I have that's positive. I need to just build on that. So I need to make sure, I mentioned on an earlier one, I don't, something that doesn't work in the past for me is that I don't do meal planning. And I'm not a big fan of meal planning. I actually find it kind of restrictive and, well, boring. However, in order to lose the weight, I need to eat better, which means I need to have the healthier things on hand. So therefore, I am going to put on that list of things that I need to do, those specific action steps that I need to take to lose the weight needs to be included in there, making sure that my grocery list every week or that every time I go to the grocery store, I am making those healthy choices. I am getting the vegetables. I am getting the fresh fruits, organic fruits, by the way. I am getting the things, the leaner choices or the healthier choices, so that when I eat at home, I have those things in the refrigerator available, right? That's the specificity that the brain needs. It's the same as if you're increasing your workout. You want to be healthier by being more physically active this coming year. Great. What does that mean? Does that mean you're going to join the gym? And if you're going to join the gym, does that mean what are you going to do at the gym? Are you going to join classes? Are you going to do weight training? Are you going to go once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, every day of the week? When are you going to go? You've got to be specific, or else the days and the weeks are going to come, just going to roll by. And then you're going to be one of those statistics of people that by February, they're like, forget it. I'm going to cancel that gym membership, or worse yet, you don't cancel the gym membership. You keep paying for it and you just never go. Anyways, that's tip number 3. Be specific. Figure out what that goal is. Be very specific about that goal and about each of the steps or each of the sub goals or the sub things, actions that you have to do on a regular basis in order to reach that big, amazing goal. Okay, we got more for you tomorrow.